Third quarter. Wala po ng orange. Flores. Traveling. Traveling by Flores. Palaming. Dribbling the ball. Pass it to Pilado. Pass it to Palaming. Palaming shoot. No good. Rebound by Pilado. Pilado to Flores. Flores dribbling the ball. Pass it to Flores. Flores shoot for 3 points. Next set. Madrid. Madrid to Garcia. Garcia to Pilado. Pilado shoot. No good. First foul rep. Foul. Baliton. Number 2. Inbound by Garcia. Pass it to Pilado. Pilado to Garcia. Shoot. Next set. Flores dribbling the ball. Binababa ang bola. Pass it to Madrid. Madrid to Pilado. Pilado Garcia. Garcia to Pilado. Pilado shoot. Next set. Flores, binababa ang bola. Pass it to Baliton. Baliton. Pick. Pass it to Flores. Flores, 3 points. No good. Rebound by Nito na yan. Manok. Palaming ka Pilado. No good. Rebound by Pilado. Pilado sa Flores. No good. Nasa Madrid. Dribble the ball. Flores. Next set. Palaming, dribbling the ball. Nasalan pa sa swing. Uy! Galing! Fake back pass. Madrid, shoot. No good. Rebound by Pilado. Rebound by Garcia. Shoot. Excellent. Bang. Flores. The ball. Flores, pinasa kay Baliton. Nasa kay Flores. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Manok. To Palaming. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Garcia. Next set. Flores again. Nasa kay Flores. Sinagaksak. Pumasok. Ang galing. Madrid. Harap pa saan. Same ball. May nasulsol. Pilado. Madrid to Garcia. Next set. 2 points by Garcia. Flores leading the ball. Flores nasa kay Mular shoot for 3. Next set. Pumasok ang bola. Palaming. Dribbling the ball. Uy, galing naman nun. Between the legs. Uy, bola ng blue. Rose ball ng orange. Ha? Kaya pa natin yan. Rebound by Flores. Ang lakas.
Foul number 8.
Flores to Baliton, dribbling the ball, sinaksak, nasa Flores, shoot, no good. Rebound by Pelado to Palaming, dribbling the ball, out pinake pass, shot, foul, counted by Palaming.
Foul number 27. That's your third. Second pick foul.
Ang galing. Palaming, bonus shot, pasok.
Official score 50-31 Orange.
Flores, dribbling the ball. Pass it to Flores. Magama, foul. Flores, dribbling the ball. Nasa kay Pelado to Garcia, silaksak. Di pumasok, rebound by Flores. Stepping. Pelado to Manok to Pelado. 3 points pa Pelado. Pasok.
Rebound.
Baliton.
Score 50-31.
Baliton, dribbling the ball. Baliton, naghanap ng papasan. Pinasa sa sentro, kay Pelado. No goal, rebound by Pelado. Stepping.
Substitution.
Sub-rep. Garcia out, Hidalgo in. Inbound by Pelado. Pass it to Baliton. Baliton, dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng papasan. Sinot. No good. Same ball. Orange ball. Inbound by Pelado to Munar. Next set. Palaming. Dribble. Pasa kay Manok. Sinot. No foul. Nasa kay Flores. Pasok. Flores to Palaming. Madrid to Palaming. Dribbling the ball. Matim ng 3 points. No good. Rebound by Munar. Pinasa kay sinaksak. Palaming. No good. Palaming. Counted.
Basketball. Foul number 32. That's your third. Substitution.
Pelado out. De La Cruz in. Bonus shot by Palaming. Shoot. No good. Palaming.
Time to shoot.
Traveling violation by Palaming. Flores. Dribble ang bola. Matem ng 3 points. No good. Outside. I'm out.
Time out.
Blue. Official score 54-36 in favor of Orange. 54-36. 1 minute remaining.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Ba't mo ito? Ha? Madrid. Binabang bola. Pass it to Garcia. Cake. Pinasa kay Nagawan. Pinasa kay Hidalgo. Hidalgo. Kay De La Cruz to Mular. Mular to Flores. Flores. Pinasa kay Flores. Flores shoot. No good. Rebound by Flores. Flores again. No good. Foul. By Madrid.
Foul number 3. That's your first. Connecting foul. 45 seconds.
45 seconds. Tas mo muna, Ibin. Tas mo muna. Tas mo muna, Ibin. Flores. No good. Rebound by Munar.
40.
Munar. By Flores. Flores shoot. Pasok. Manok to Dio. Hidalgo.
30
Hidalgo.
seconds.
Sinot. No good. Rebound by Munar. Munar by Flores. Flores. Sinot. Pasok.
20.
Madrid to Palaming. Palaming 3 points. Awa.
10.
Flores to Munar. Munar to Flores. De La Cruz. Shoot. No good.
It's the end of the third quarter. Division score 58-39.
58-39 in favor of Orange. End of third quarter. 58-39.
Blue.
Blue ball. Wala ka na battery? Baka biglang pan yun. Biglang bababa. Hindi. Back to home siya. Pumurubat. Blue ball. Madrid. Madrid pass it to Garcia. Garcia dribbling the ball. Garcia. Pumasok. Pinaksak. Pasok.
Division score 58-41.
58-41. Favor of Orange. Flores. Sinut. No good. Gagawa ng bola.
Orange.
Bola ng Orange. Kita ba yan? I-zoom mo ah. Hindi na zoom. Hindi yung natawag ng bola. Flores. Shoot. Next set. Pasok. 2 points by Flores.
Foul number 33.
Dapat yan Kisubin. Kisubin. Kisubin to Madrid. Madrid to Garcia. Garcia. Pass it to Kisubin. Kisubin. Shoot. Bitin. Baliton. No good. Rebound by Palaming. Palaming. Dribbling the ball. Garcia. Garcia. Kisubin. Kisubin. Shoot. Sayang. Muntik nang pumasok.
15. That's your second.
Clarkson.
Foul.
Jordan Clarkson. Sir Alvin, dami import. Kalkalbas. Shout out Clarkson. Baliton. Naggalap ako sa pass it to Munar. Munar to Flores. Flores nilabas sa bola. Backing. Violation. Inbound by Kisubin. Pass it to Madrid. Madrid. Dribbling the ball. Lost ball Orange. Madrid inbound the ball. Flores inbound the ball. Pass it to Baliton. Baliton to Flores. Flores. Matim ng 3 points. No good. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia pero bola. Palaming. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Kisuben. Kisuben. Next set. Baliton. Baliton. Galap ng papasan. Pinasa kay Munar. Munar. Hindi mo lang bola. Pinasa kay Flores. Flores nilabas ang bola. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Inatay mag-shoot. Pinasa kay Manok. Manok. Pass ito Palaming. Palaming. Shoot. Pasok. Time out. Orange.
6 minutes, 32 seconds.
Flores. Flores to Munar. Munar. Foul. Foul number 8. Garcia.
That's your third.
Lagay mo ito sa gitna, Ibe. First attempt by Munar. Pasok. Second attempt. Pasok ulit. Agaw ang bola. Flores to Flores. Flores shoot. No good. Rebound by Baliton. Baliton. Magalaw ng papasahan. Panasa kay Munar. Munar. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Garcia. Foul by Flores.
Foul number 23. That's your second.
Madrid.
15 foul.
Bola. Double dribble. Committed by Palaming. Inbound by Flores. Flores by Flores. Flores to Baliton. Baliton. Sinaksak. Rebound by Flores. Flores. Pasok. Garcia. Garcia to Madrid. Madrid to Garcia. Garcia. Pinasok. Pumasok. Flores to Flores. Nabang bola. Pasok. Madrid to Palaming. Palaming. Sinot ng Palaming. Bitin. Munar to Flores. Flores to Baliton. Pasok. Alley-oop. Flores to Baliton. Madrid, pinababa ang bola. Pinasa kay Kisuben. Kisuben to Munar. Ay, Garcia, pasok. Flores to Munar. Munar to Flores. Flores to Flores. Pasok. Ha? Madrid. Madrid. Drop pass by Garcia. No good. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia. Shoot. Pasok. Nice one, Garcia. Nakamay ka kon. Wireless. Baliton. Baliton to Flores. Flores. Balik kay Baliton. Baliton to Flores. Daming Flores. Tatlong Flores. Flores shoot. No good. Rebound by Flores. Nilaban ni Palaming ang bola. Hop. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Baliton. Baliton. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Munar. Munar to Flores. Flores shoot. No good. Stepping by Flores. Dapat di mo tinignan yung stepping line. Nakita dapat, hindi ko laki kong bola. Madrid out. Hidalgo in. Flores. Rebound by Kisubin, Manok. Pilado to Garcia shoot. Next set. Baliton. Binababa ang bola. Racing the time. Inuubos ang oras si Baliton. Baliton to Flores. Flores to Baliton. Baliton. Flores. Pudmunar. Intercept ni Apilado. Binababa ang bola. Sinot ni Apilado. Bitin. Rebound by Kisubin. Pasok. Ang galing. Ang galing ng import.
Official score 70-53. Orange.
Baliton. Dribble ang bola. Baliton.
Time to
Ubos
shoot.
ang oras. Time to shoot. Baliton. Pinasa kay Flores. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Munar. First foul rep. Munar.
Foul number 11.
Corner number 11.
Time
Time out. Blue. Score.
Number 11, that's your second. Time remaining 2 minutes, 21 seconds. Official score 70-53.
Tunog pa na. Ito na last 2 minutes na. Sarap tayo ball mo. Fourth quarter na ito yun, di ba? Fourth quarter ron. Time remaining. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Time remaining. For the fourth quarter. Ha? Bugarod. Ako matagal ng sarda. Manalo po ang kulay orange. Ano ba sabi nyo kulay orange? Basic lang, basic.
Basic yung dalawa.
Basic na. Daming flores eh.
Na makita?
So doon lagi kinawatan. Shake hands na, shake hands. Manalo po yung orange. Oh, picture. Picture daw, picture yung orange. Picture yung nga, yung picture yung. Stayed. Player of the game. Justin Flores, player of the game.